150M Phantom Gaming 4 motherboard. AMD Ryzen 5 5600, AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT OC edition, 16GB. DDR4 32GB, 3200 MHz. SSD M.2 Lexar 790. So let's start building our first computer. Let's start putting the CPU first, the AMD Ryzen 5 into the CPU socket. Open the latch. Okay, don't touch the gold plated area here. You have this triangle and the triangle here should match. Thing is fixed, it's not moving anymore. And it's locked. Next, let's put the RAM. 1, 2, 3, 4 slot. Let's open the latch here and let's put this first. Press. Let's open RAM. Click. Let's install our storage M.2. Wait, let's put the screw to lock our M.2. Let's install the CPU color, but before that one, we need to remove this bracket here. There's 4 screws we need to take out. Okay, let's put the puller. Let's make sure. Okay. Let's lock it in. Na sa mo kan mo piit mo. Then let's connect the CPU power supply, CPU cooler power supply. Should be okay. I think that's all set for the motherboard and its parts. So let's go with the casing. The fan is not pre-installed, so we're gonna install out. We are going to put an aftermarket PC case fan. So I bought the 3-1 set and the exhaust fan. Okay. Let's remove all the cover of this case. Let's turn this one. Let's remove this left side panel first. We have the one, then just pull a little bit here. Okay. Oop. Let's cut this one. It's so let's install first the fan. So we have 4 fans together. We also have 3 fans on the left side and 1 fan for exhaust here on the rear side. Let's put the power supply unit.
go.